Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In today's video, we will discuss about the recent happenings in the field of artillery guns. We know that Indian Army is in need of many artillery guns to be deployed across various borders, and this needs to be fulfilled at the earliest. Even though there are many options available for Indian Army, we will be discussing only about the Dhanush artillery gun and one more variant which according to me should be considered by the Indian Army. Indian Army has placed an order of 114 Dhanush 155 toved howitzers with the Ordnance Factories Board. The delivery of these 114 guns were planned in batches, but as per the recent update, which is coming from the defense side, it looks like the delivery of these pending guns would take more time and can't be expected to happen anytime soon. The gun carriage factory of Jabalpur, which was supposed to deliver these upgraded Dhanush artillery guns, has failed to ship them as planned, and it is unlikely that it will be delivered even by end of 2021. Due to these delays, it looks like the Indian Army will hold back further orders for more guns as well. So now what are the other options for Indian Army? I'm not sure if any other indigenous guns can be planned, manufactured and inducted so soon, so it should be a good option to think of considering something new in this particular breed. The gun which I'm talking about here, or to be considered, is the latest trending 155 wheeled self-propelled howitzers, which is based on the Rheinmetall HX3 10x10 military truck chassis. Just to give a quick intro about this German company Rheinmetall, this company, in addition to manufacturing the main armament guns, they also manufacture many self-propelled howitzers main gun and a range of medium caliber cannons from 20 to 35 are also manufactured by this company. This German company even manufactures the ammunition for a variety of other guns, cannons and smaller infantry weapons. So what is so special about these howitzers for which I am trying to suggest the same? Let me provide a quick intro and details about the vital characteristics of these howitzers. This new HX3 howitzer is equipped with a fully enclosed armored turret which is mounted at the rear of the truck chassis. The turret seems to be armed with the Rheinmetall 155 52 caliber gun. These Rheinmetall 155 52 caliber guns are also used on the PZH 2000 tracked self-propelled howitzer. This gun is able to fire at a maximum range of 30 km with standard ammunition and 40 km with extended range projectiles. Coming to the other vital component of such howitzers, the turret. The turret on these systems are mounted on a platform which is designed for the artillery gun module, which has a traverse of 360 degree. The turret will keep the electrically powered and digitally controlled automatic shell loading system designed to handle the 155 shells. According to Rheinmetall, the turret seems to be remotely controlled, offering a high rate of fire and multiple round simultaneous impact mission. All the firing operations could be performed from inside of the crew cab. In order to tackle the new threats, the HX3 trucks can be equipped with an armored cab to provide a ballistic protection against the firing of small arms and artillery shell splinters. Another highlight is the platform which has been used to install these guns. With the new HX3 military truck family, the German company Rheinmetall has developed a multi-role platform able to be used as a systems carrier for complex weapon and radar systems. These HX truck platforms could be utilized in the future as the standard basis for various artillery solutions or similar systems. Another good thing which I have already discussed in one of my previous videos is regarding this German company showing interest to invest in India defense corridor projects. Yes, the Rheinmetall is looking to invest in the Uttar Pradesh defense corridor, for which the memorandums of understanding with 23 private companies entailing investment of rupees 50,000 crore have been signed so far. So that was a quick video on one of the trending howitzer which has been developed by Rheinmetall of Germany, and we also discussed the failure of Dhanush artillery guns delivery to Indian Army. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.